I'm sure you must be wondering, didn't Alex say he was done with Genshin Impact foods? I did say that, but that was Season 1. I'm back with Season 2 of Genshin Impact recipes. Today, I'm doing a recipe that was requested when I first started remaking Genshin Impact food, Fisherman's Toast. I originally declined, thinking that a recipe this simple was just not worth a video, but with the release of Klee came a variation of this dish. So today I will not be making just a regular Fisherman's Toast, but also Klee's variant as well. Without further ado, let's get started. Before I begin either of the toasts, I must prep the red onions. Both variations have an abundance of red onions as a topping. Cut the onions into half crescents, then into sections, about 1 to 2 inches long. Set this aside for now. So first, I will be making the original version of the toast. On a pan on medium heat, toast slices of bread of your choice. You can also use your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, or you can use a toaster. You can also choose any bread of your choice, but I chose white bread. I think Japanese milk bread would probably be the best option though. Let that toast for a few minutes on each side. For the toppings, since the dish is supposed to be a quick yet robust snack for the fishermen, I decided to use a pre-made tomato sauce since they don't have time to make their own sauce all the time. Spread that all over the toast, leaving some of the edges exposed. Then sprinkle mozzarella cheese over the sauce, top with red onion sections that were cut from earlier, and finally, garnish with 1 lone cilantro leaf. Very simple, able to quickly fill up a fisherman while out and about. Now we can move on to the Klee variation where a bit more effort is needed. Since I was unimpressed by the flavor of the original, I decided that the first step for Klee's variation is to bump up the flavor of the tomato sauce. I throw in some yellow onions into a food processor to get them finely minced. You can also do this manually with a knife, but I just wanted to make less work for myself. Set a pan with a bit of oil on medium-high heat, add the minced onion and some minced garlic, and cook them out for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions become translucent. Add red wine to deglaze the pan. If you don't have access to red wine, water or some sort of flavored broth could also work. Reduce to half and add the pre-made tomato sauce from earlier. Add any spices or seasoning you wish. I use black pepper, crushed red pepper, Italian seasoning, and a bit of salt here. Set this on a back burner and keep it warm while you work on the other stuff. Toast bread for a few minutes, according to your preferred method. Set it on a baking tray with aluminum foil and get ready to put your art skills to the test. I noticed that the outline of Klee's toast was a different color than the sauce. She begins by outlining with a thicker sauce or possibly ketchup here. Now, I didn't get any footage of me doing this since I was practicing, and when I got it down, it took me a lot longer than I thought and I completely forgot to record the whole section. But here is an accurate recreation of what happened. After completing the outline, fill in the area with the fortified tomato sauce. Then top off the sauce with shredded mozzarella and pop it into the oven. I set it to broil and let it sit in there for 2 minutes till the cheese fully melt but not really grab any color. Afterwards, top off with the sliced onions and a few garnishes of your choice. Optionally, you could broil with the onions on the top of the toast, but I like that raw oniony bite, so I prefer putting it after the toast process. And there you have it, Klee's variation of Fisherman's Toast. A bit more challenging than I thought, but ultimately was delicious and adorable. What else would you like to see me make from Genshin Impact? I will be back with even more recipes from Genshin, including remaking the favorite dish of a certain spear-wielding, mask-wearing, green-haired adeptus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with someone who enjoys Genshin Impact. See y'all next one.
This is why I don't go to art school, man.